Welcome back to another video. So if you want to measure some elements on a 3D scan, this will be a video that will help you. So let's take a look at a case study. This is the same bottle cap from my previous video. And let's say that, for example, I want to measure the distance from this bottom plane. If I will just hide that for now. So the plane over here, and with the top section of this recycle logo over here at the top. So what would be the easiest method to do that? We already have, I will just deactivate this fill over here on the top for now. So I already have defined a plane over here. And I will now define a second plane using the same workflow on the top. So let's take a look. CATIA will want to do not responding now since I deactivated that field, but we see that it managed to restore. So we will need to be within shape, quick surface reconstruction, and I'm going to use the same basic feature recognition, just like I did within my previous video. So I will choose over here plane. Afterwards, I will select the point cloud. I will activate it, and now I will probe some elements over here using the pick tool. So I will select the triangle over here at the top on the recycle logo. And those will be the points. I will click OK. I will click apply, and we're going to see that CATIA has generated a new plane over there. We're going to see also the let's say the standard deviation for this. As you can see, some of the elements are a little bit positioned on the top, but this is mainly due to the resolution of the 3D scan. This was scanned with an RTEC. You will find the link to the model in the video description. So I'll just click OK now. And we're going to have the newly defined plane over here and the other one over here. We can just go over here for the measure between. I can select the reference plane and afterwards the newly defined plane. And we're going to see that the distance will be 0.063 millimeters, and we're also going to have a 0.1 degree between those two. So this is the easiest method in order to do some measurements. Let's apply it over here once again. For example, from this bottom plane all the way over here to the top, the same workflow. I will select the mesh. I will want the method to be plane. I will activate the picking, and I will probe various triangles over here at the top. We can also go all the way down to points. So I can just select a single vertex. It's not mandatory that we use triangles. It's usually a good idea to probe as many points on all the important elements and areas. As you can see, this circular element over here will be defined by all of those. I will click now OK. I'm going to click apply for a plane, and we're going to have the plane popping over there. And using the same workflow, if I want to do a measurement between the ground plane over here all the way to the newly defined one, we're going to see that in this case we're going to have 6.8 millimeters, and we're also going to have that degree deviation, in this case even lower, 0.04. So I hope you find this video useful. Consider to give this video a like. Also consider to leave me a comment if you have any questions regarding this workflow. I will also position a similar video over here on the left and a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.